Hello students, it's Miss Coulter. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open your assignments and complete different types of assignments using Google Slides and Google Docs. Let's take a look. When we first click onto our classroom, we're brought to the stream. Remember, that's where your teacher leaves important directions, due dates, and may just even say hello. Next to the stream button is classwork. This is where we will find our assignments and do all our work. So let's click it. Remember, your teacher may organize your assignments by week, by day, or even by topic, like reading, science, and math. Dark color buttons are the assignments you need to do. Lighter color buttons are assignments you've turned in. Don't worry, you'll learn how to do all that right now. So, let's click on the first assignment. You can click on the actual link, or you can click View Assignment. When you click View Assignment, you get to see how many points your assignment's worth, if anyone left any comments about how they're doing, or if your teacher leaves directions, this is where you'll find those as well. So, we can go back to 3rd grade, click on classwork, and let's click on the link that takes us straight to the Google Doc. Google Doc is just a way for you to type your answers. So, you can see that I've already typed part of the work for the student. Their job is going to be to choose a book from our classroom library to read, then answer any of the following questions. So let's just type after number 1 and press enter. Here's where you would do your typing. So let's see, let's pretend they read Amelia Bedelia. And you just keep clicking, pressing enter, and doing your work. But how do you turn in your work? There's 2 different ways. You can use the gray turn in button, which is right up here in the right hand corner. Or you can click back to the classwork button, click View Assignment, and then turn in this way. So we've done it. We want to check that we've turned in your work. If you're sure that you're done and you're happy with it, you click Turn In again. But it's okay if you made a mistake. Even if you've submitted, you can click Unsubmit, and it'll give you a chance to fix any of the mistakes you've made. You can also, right here where it says Private Comments, you can add a comment just for your teacher. So maybe you had a problem or didn't understand a question. Here's where you could type that in so your teacher would know that you need some help. So I'll just type in I need help. Don't be afraid to leave comments for your teacher. You're not in the classroom right now, so this is the only way they know you really need help. And don't worry, only your teacher can know that you're having trouble. All right, let's click back to our classroom, go into classwork, and now we're going to try an assignment in Google Slides. So remember, we click on the assignment name, then we click on the link. Google Slides is pretty neat because your teacher can put a read aloud feature in it. Anytime you see that name, definitely click there and put your name first. Makes it easier for us teachers to grade. If you see sound buttons, you just hover over the sound icon, and then there's a little play button. If your teacher puts in text boxes, you hover your mouse over the box, double click, that means click 2 times, and then you can type in it. So let's say that we've finished this whole spelling test on Google Slides, and we want to turn it in. Slides is a little different. There's no turn in button right here. And if we click share, You can share that with anyone you want. But that's not really helpful if we want to turn it in for our teacher to grade. So, next to here, where you have the orange Google Slides button, you'll have that classroom button. Click back on the classroom tab. Underneath the name of our spelling test, we click View Assignment. And then there's a Mark as Done button. You'll want to click it twice. And same thing with Google Docs. If you think you've made a mistake, you can always unsubmit your work, change your mistakes, and then turn it in again. Same way here, if you're having trouble with any Google Slide assignment, let your teacher know right here in the private comments. I'll quickly show you another way you can see your classwork. If you want to see all your assignments in one row, then up at the top of classwork, you'll click that View Your Work button. This lets you see all of your assignments, and it also lets you know what you've turned in, what is still assigned, which means you need to do it, and it'll give you your grade. Good luck and goodbye, students.